Wishing a wonderful day to all of you. Welcome to online class of SST. Yesterday we were reading about balanced diet. A healthy diet or balanced diet is a diet what you eat that contain the right amount of all the food groups. It includes fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy product and proteins. It does not include too much or too little of any kind of food. Today our topic is water. Some interesting facts about water. 75% of the earth is covered with water, but only 3% of it can be used for drinking. It is fresh water. Most of this fresh water is underground. The rest is in lakes and rivers. People can survive for up to 4 weeks without food but cannot live without water for more than a few days. Do you know, my dear students, water is even more important than food to your body because your body is mostly water. More than half of your body weight is water. Your body cannot survive for more than a few hours without having drink, even less if you live in a hot country or the weather is hot. This doesn't mean that your body is like a glass that you fill with water. You feel would get pretty soggy, wouldn't they? What it does mean is that water is the biggest part of all the fluids that travel around your body, and there is a lot of water inside your cells too. Even bones have a lot of water in them. So, what does your body do with all that water? It moves as blood around all your body. Most of your blood is water. Water carries digestive enzymes around your digestive system so that your food can be broken up into all the bits your body needs. You also use water to keep your body temperature control. Water comes out through the tiny holes in your skin called pores. This water we call sweat. It helps to cool our bodies. Now that you can see how important water is, you can understand why your body needs so much of it. Adult bodies use up around 2 liters a day and smaller bodies use less. If you are around 8 years old, you might use up about 1 liter a day. So you have to replace that much water. How to replace water? You will get some of that water from the foods you eat like fruits, meat, vegetables, but you will still need to drink water as well. Try to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. More of it's hot or you have been running around a lot or you feel thirsty. Of course, you can drink other drinks like milk and juice. They are mostly made of water. Now, one more question is that which kinds of water are there and which is the best? Some water can have germs in it, so it is important to be sure that the water you drink is safe. If you are not sure it is safe, make sure the water is boiled before you drink it or clean your teeth with it. Let's have a quick recap. Water is one of the most precious resources on the earth and it is necessary for all living beings. 70% of the earth's surface is covered by water. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Water helps us maintaining our body temperature. My dear students, today your homework is write 5 uses of water. It's time to leave. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.